Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WMTS layer from an orthomosaic for use as a high-resolution background in Emlid Flow. For this method, we just need to export our ortho formatted in tiff, keeping the file or set of tiles under 300 megabytes each. This will also require an Emlid Flow Survey subscription, and you may need to create a free account for Mapbox Studio. So once we are logged into Mapbox Studio, we'll select the Style Editor and click New Style. We found this works best when loading fewer assets by either starting from scratch or using the monochrome theme to start from. Once we're in the editor, you'll click the plus button to add a new custom layer. Then click Upload Data, and we'll drag and drop our ortho or set of tiles. After a short period of time, when the file is uploaded and processed, we can select the upload, and we then should be able to find the georeferenced orthomosaic in its place. We can then publish the map. Then selecting the share option and third party will let us choose WMTS, and we can copy that link that we will use in Emlid Flow. Opening our project in Flow, selecting the Layers menu, then Add Map Layer will show us all of our previously uploaded layers. We can add a new layer by pasting the link we copied from Mapbox Studio and selecting our map. Once added, we will see our background map update to our drone imagery that we can adjust the opacity of or visibility if desired. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.